This is a 2007 Dodge Nitro. This SUV has an automatic transmission, a 3.7-liter V6, and the added capability of four-wheel drive. Its top features include traction control and stability control systems, commercial-free satellite radio, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: a multi-function display, air conditioning, cruise control, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, a Sentry key theft deterrent system, a passenger side vanity mirror, front and rear floor mats, an anti-lock braking system, steering wheel mounted controls, and the HomeLink transceiver can be programmed to use the same frequency as your remote opening devices, such as the garage door, the entry gate, or even the living room lights, enabling you to control them right from the driver's seat. Not to mention that this Dodge qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. We hope you found this video informative. Please contact us today.
Thank you for considering the Larson Automotive Group, serving the Northwest for over 58 years. Come see why we are the largest automotive group in Washington State.